Have you ever felt like no matter how hard you work, you just can't seem to get ahead financially? Like there's an invisible force keeping you stuck in the same place, month after month? You're not alone. What if I told you the biggest thing stealing your money isn't your job, your bills, or even bad luck? It's hidden blocks buried deep in your mind. These blocks quietly sabotage your decisions, drain your bank account, and keep you trapped in a cycle of struggle. But here's the good news. Once you expose them, you can finally break free. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to uncover those hidden blocks, destroy them, and reprogram your mind to attract the wealth you deserve. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll have clear, actionable steps to start creating the financial freedom you've been dreaming of. Before we dive in, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you never miss a video like this. If you're ready to unlock abundance, give this video a thumbs up and share it with someone who needs to hear this. And as we go along, drop a comment below if something resonates with you. Your breakthrough could inspire someone else. Ready to uncover what's been holding you back? Let's get started. What if I told you that the biggest obstacle between you and financial freedom isn't out there? It's in here, in your mind. Hidden beliefs about money are like an invisible enemy, quietly controlling your financial decisions without you even realizing it. Maybe you grew up hearing phrases like, money doesn't grow on trees, or rich people are greedy. Those words might seem harmless, but over time, they become ingrained in your subconscious, shaping how you think about wealth and what you believe is possible for your life. Think about it. If deep down you believe that money is bad or that you're not worthy of abundance, how can you expect to attract it? Every time an opportunity comes your way, those hidden beliefs work in the background, whispering, you can't do this, or this isn't for people like you. And without even knowing it, you self-sabotage. You hesitate, you doubt yourself, and you settle for less than you deserve. But here's the truth. These beliefs aren't facts. They're just stories you've been told. And the moment you expose them, you can start rewriting the script. Right now, I want you to think about your own money story. What's the first belief that comes to mind when you think about wealth? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to know. The good news is, you have the power to change these beliefs starting today. You don't have to stay stuck in the patterns that have held you back for years. And if this resonates with you, make sure you subscribe to the channel so you never miss another tip to help you unlock your financial potential. Share this video with someone who needs to hear this, because changing one belief can change everything. Let's move on to uncover the next hidden block that could be stealing your wealth. Have you ever noticed how easy it is to focus on what you don't have? The bills that keep piling up, the paycheck that doesn't stretch far enough, the opportunities that seem just out of reach? That's the scarcity mindset at work, and it's one of the biggest blocks keeping you broke. When your mind is always tuned into lack, what's missing, what's wrong, you actually attract more of the same. Why? Because what you focus on grows. Imagine walking through life constantly saying, I can't afford that, or there's never enough. Those words don't just describe your reality, they shape it. Your brain becomes wired to see limitations instead of opportunities, to cling to the fear of losing what little you have instead of taking bold steps toward abundance. The scarcity mindset traps you in survival mode, where every decision feels like a struggle, and no matter what you do, it feels like you're always behind. But here's the thing. Abundance isn't about what you have in your wallet. It starts with what's in your mind. To shift out of scarcity, you need to consciously focus on what you do have. Gratitude is one of the most powerful tools to break free from this cycle. Every day, take a moment to think about 5 things you're grateful for, no matter how small. It could be as simple as a roof over your head, food on the table, or even this moment right now where you're choosing to learn and grow. I want to hear from you. What's one thing you're grateful for today? Drop it in the comments below. Let's inspire each other to see the good that already exists in our lives. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you're ready to replace scarcity with abundance. Share this video with someone who needs to hear this message, because the more we shift our focus, the more we open ourselves up to receive. Keep watching. What I'm about to share next could completely transform how you see your financial journey. Have you ever felt stuck in the same place, wondering why nothing ever changes no matter how much you want it to? The truth is, it's not just bad luck or external circumstances holding you back. It's fear of stepping out of your comfort zone. Your comfort zone feels safe, even if it's not where you want to be. It's predictable. It's familiar. And because of that, your mind convinces you to stay there, even when it's keeping you from reaching the life you deserve. Think about it. How many times have you hesitated to take a risk because you were afraid of failing? Maybe it was starting a new project, asking for a raise, or pursuing a side hustle. That hesitation wasn't because you weren't capable. It was because stepping into the unknown felt uncomfortable. Your brain sees change as a threat, even when that change could lead to something incredible. And so, you stay in the same place, avoiding discomfort, but also avoiding growth. But here's the truth you need to hear. Nothing changes unless you do. Growth and abundance live on the other side of your comfort zone, and yes, it will feel scary at first. But every small step you take outside of that bubble builds your confidence and shows you that fear is just an illusion. What's one thing you've been avoiding because it feels uncomfortable? Maybe it's having a tough conversation, learning a new skill, or putting yourself out there. Commit to doing it today, no matter how small that step feels. I'd love to hear from you. What's one action you've been afraid to take? Drop it in the comments and let's cheer each other on. If this is hitting home for you, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss more strategies to break free from the patterns that hold you back. And share this video with someone who needs that extra push to step out of their comfort zone. Up next, I'll reveal another powerful block that could be silently draining your financial potential. Don't miss it. Have you ever found yourself buying something just to feel better, only to regret it later? Emotional spending is one of the most common ways we sabotage our financial success, and yet, most people don't even realize they're doing it. Maybe it's a shopping spree after a tough day, ordering food because you feel stressed, or spending money on things you don't really need just to distract yourself from deeper feelings. It might feel good in the moment, but that temporary relief often leads to guilt, regret, and even more stress when you see the impact on your bank account. The truth is, emotional spending isn't about the money. It's about filling a void. When we're stressed, sad, or even bored, spending can feel like a way to regain control or bring some comfort. But here's the hard truth. No purchase can truly fix what's going on inside. The moment the excitement fades, the same feelings come rushing back, and the cycle begins all over again. So, how do you break free? It starts with awareness. The next time you're about to make a purchase, pause and ask yourself, why am I buying this? What am I feeling right now? It might feel uncomfortable to confront those emotions, but this simple habit can help you take control instead of letting your feelings control you. And instead of spending, try addressing the emotion in a healthier way. Maybe you journal, take a walk, or call a friend to talk things through. Let me know in the comments, have you ever caught yourself buying something just to feel better? What was it, and how did it make you feel afterward? Share your story. It might help someone else who's struggling with the same thing. And don't forget to subscribe for more insights on breaking free from financial habits that hold you back. If you know someone who needs to hear this, send them this video. Up next, I'll share another hidden block that could be keeping you stuck in the cycle of financial stress. So keep watching. How many times have you told yourself, I'll start saving when I make more money, or I'll follow my dreams when the timing is better? This is what I call the someday syndrome, and it's one of the most dangerous blocks to your financial success. The idea of someday feels safe, doesn't it? It gives you an excuse to delay action without feeling like you're giving up. But here's the hard truth. Someday doesn't exist. Waiting for the perfect moment is costing you everything. When you constantly push your goals into the future, you're not just losing time. You're losing opportunities. Every day you wait is a day you could have been building momentum, growing your skills, or creating wealth. The truth is, there's never a perfect time to start. Life will always feel uncertain, and there will always be challenges. But the longer you wait, the harder it becomes to break out of the cycle. So, here's the question. What are you putting off? Is it starting that side hustle, investing in yourself, or creating a budget? Whatever it is, stop waiting for someday and take one small step today. It doesn't have to be perfect, it just has to be something. Open a savings account, set aside $5, or spend 10 minutes brainstorming a new idea. Small actions lead to big changes over time, but only if you start now. Tell me in the comments, what's one goal you've been putting off? Share it, and let's hold each other accountable. And if you're ready to stop waiting and start creating the life you deserve, Subscribe to this channel so you don't miss more tools and strategies to help you move forward. Share this video with someone who needs to hear this message, because sometimes all it takes is one action to break free from the someday trap. Stick around. What's coming next could completely shift the way you think about abundance. Have you ever caught yourself scrolling through social media, looking at someone else's success, and feeling that pang of envy? Maybe it's someone traveling the world, buying their dream car, or achieving a milestone you've been working toward. In that moment, it's so easy to think, why them and not me? But what you may not realize is how dangerous this habit is. Comparison doesn't just steal your joy, it sabotages your prosperity. When you focus on what others have, you shift your energy away from your own path. Instead of celebrating your progress, you're consumed by what you lack. It creates a cycle of self-doubt where you feel like you're not good enough, not smart enough, or not capable enough to achieve the same success. And the worst part? It keeps you stuck, because every time you compare, you're feeding a mindset of scarcity and telling yourself that there's not enough success to go around. But here's the truth. Someone else's success doesn't take away from your own potential. In fact, it's proof that what you want is possible. The next time you feel envy creeping in, flip the script. Instead of asking, why not me? Ask, what can I learn from this? Let their success inspire you, not discourage you. Celebrate their wins as a reminder that abundance is out there for all of us. I want you to think about this. Who are you comparing yourself to right now, and how is it holding you back? Share your thoughts in the comments. Your breakthrough could help someone else break free from the same pattern. And if you're ready to stop letting comparison drain your energy, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Don't keep this message to yourself. Share it with someone who needs to hear it. Up next, we'll talk about a daily practice that can completely transform how you attract wealth. So stick around. Creating wealth isn't just about working harder or finding the perfect strategy. It starts with rewiring your mind to think like an abundant thinker. The truth is, the way you think, feel, and act around money creates your reality. Successful people aren't lucky. They've developed daily habits that train their minds to attract opportunities, take bold action, and stay aligned with their goals. And here's the best part. You can do the same, starting right now. One of the most powerful practices is visualization. Every morning, spend 5 minutes imagining your ideal financial life as if it's already happening. Picture yourself waking up in your dream home, checking your bank account with a smile, or doing work you love. Feel the emotions of that success, confidence, gratitude, and freedom. This isn't just daydreaming. When you focus your mind on abundance, you program your brain to look for ways to make it a reality. And if you've ever wondered why some people make a lot of money easily, while you, even with so much sacrifice, study, and dedication, can't prosper? If you want to discover the secrets that helped me unlock my mind and go from debt to millionaire in less than 1 year, I have something amazing for you. In my new book, Rich Mind, I'm going to show you that getting rich is easy, and that what's really difficult is convincing yourself of it. If you want to put an end, once and for all, to your hidden enemies who sabotage your success and unlock your mind to make money towards the life you deserve, I will leave the official link for you to download the Rich Mind ebook here in the description and in the first comment pinned to this video. Dare to think differently. Let's continue. Another game changer is affirmations. What you say to yourself matters more than you realize. Instead of repeating negative thoughts like, I'll never get ahead or I can't afford it, start affirming powerful truths. I am worthy of wealth, money flows to me effortlessly, or I am in control of my financial destiny. Write these down, say them out loud, and repeat them until they become your default mindset. And here's a question for you. What's one habit you can start today to align with the life you want? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear how you're rewiring for wealth. If this resonates with you, subscribe to the channel so you can keep learning the tools to unlock abundance. And share this video with someone who's ready to change their mindset, because when we help others grow, we grow too. Remember, rewiring your mind is a daily practice, but the results can transform your life in ways you can't even imagine. Keep watching, because the conclusion will tie everything together and show you the next step to breaking free from the blocks stealing your success. Now that you've uncovered the hidden blocks stealing your money, you're no longer in the dark. You've seen how limiting beliefs, a scarcity mindset, fear of change, emotional spending, procrastination, comparison, and unproductive habits have been holding you back. But here's the most important thing to remember. You are not stuck. Every block you've identified is an opportunity to rewrite your story and create the financial freedom you deserve. The power to change your life has always been within you. Now it's time to use it. Start small. Take one action today that breaks an old pattern, whether it's practicing gratitude, saying no to unnecessary spending, or stepping outside your comfort zone. These little shifts add up to massive transformation. And don't forget, you're not alone in this journey. There's a whole community here to support and inspire you. So drop a comment below and share one thing you're committing to change today. If you found this video helpful, make sure you subscribe to the channel for more strategies to unlock abundance and achieve success. Hit the like button if this resonated with you, and share this video with someone who needs it, because when we help each other grow, we all rise. The life you dream of isn't far away. It starts right here, right now, with the choices you make today. You've got this, and I can't wait to see what you'll create. Let's make it happen together.